What's going on, guys? Jeremy here, back again with another video. It's kind of been a while since I've actually sat out here in the garage and made a video. I've kind of got used to my nice little office up at the front of the house, and this time of year it's normally a lot warmer in there than it is out here, which I say this time of year. Man, we have just got into spring, and the temperatures here in North Carolina are lower than what they were in February. So definitely kind of weird, but definitely making do with it. But that being said, man, it's like, I don't even know, 30 degrees. For us North Carolinians, that is pretty cold. But I did want to kind of get out and make a video outside in the garage with the Camaro. This is nice. It's got a cool little armrest. I guess that's what that's for. Huh, never knew that. A couple of things I wanted to talk about today. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm obviously going to list out a few names on some of the channels that I watch and really enjoy. Now, before I get into that, I want to talk about a few things. This is kind of going to be a test run on both of these ideas. So really what I kind of wanted to do is gauge the community, everyone who watches the channel, and kind of see what your thoughts are on this and if it's worth doing or if we should just leave it alone and honestly not think about it again until later. The only reason I would consider doing this later over now is just to kind of have more of a subscriber base. It is a little harder with a small YouTube channel. In all honesty, I don't really see the channel, unfortunately. It's not going to be some kind of outrageous channel like, you know, Cletus McFarland. Honestly, I do like being a small channel. I'd like to grow a little bit more. I think we all do. There is nothing wrong with being a small channel. Personally, I like it, and don't get me wrong, I do like the idea of growing the channel. That's what everyone wants to do ultimately. Being a small channel, I can communicate with other small channels, kind of work together. James at Online Car Show, he made a group chat on Instagram, so we've got a bunch of guys in there together. We're kind of talking and hanging out. What I'm thinking about doing, and like I said, this would just be a one-time trial run probably if I did this, and it would really all depend on the outcome if I would move forward and continue to do this in the future. But I've thought about doing some merchandise. Nothing crazy, probably some t-shirts, probably some stickers, nothing crazy. As you guys know, it's obviously very expensive to have t-shirts made. Really, anywhere you go, it's kind of hard to get a good price on them, especially if you're going to turn around and sell them. So really how it works, I mean, you've got to go in here and probably spend $1,000 to the point where you're getting shirts at $4 a piece. With the amount of money that I have budgeted to spend on this, I might get 10 to 15 shirts and in all honesty probably sell them to you guys at cost. Maybe a couple dollars more just so I can kind of put a little bit more money back into my pocket and into the channel and possibly back into merchandising. And like I said, this really all depends on how it goes. But I would like to do a little test run. I went online as one of the t-shirt makers. I've got kind of a little rough draft of what I wanted to do. Not sure if I like it 100%. It is pretty cool, but you know what? I'm just gonna put a picture of it in this video. Actually right here. So you can see the front of the shirt. It's got the Nasty 2SS kind of arch. Got the bow tie symbol right there, and then got the YouTube logo on the back. So I think it is a cool idea. It's really just a matter of who would actually want them and who would buy them. I look at it this way. If you guys are buying these t-shirts, it's an investment into my channel. The money's gonna go into the channel. The money's either gonna go towards some car parts, or it's gonna go into the channel for equipment, back into merchandising. I kind of want to get in a groove where I've just got a constant cycle of income, be it YouTube, be it the little bit of money that I'm saving from my job now, and from some merchandise. And I think it would be really cool. I would definitely appreciate the support from all of you. So drop a comment below. If you guys want to see some shirts out, I'll definitely put some out. Like I said, this is really going to be like a limited trial run. So if I do get enough feedback on it and decide to do it, it's probably going to be about 10 to 15 shirts that I'm going to be putting out. Now, if it does go well, like I said, I will start putting out some more. Another thing I wanted to do, and this is completely free to you guys, and this kind of goes hand in hand with the merchandising and the little bit of money that I make on YouTube. But once a month, like I said, this is all just kind of trial and error, and I haven't really fully come up with the perfect idea on this. But once a month, basically do a drawing from all of my subscribers, and basically what it's going to be is kind of like a little mystery box type deal. You know, I've thought about giving back to you guys for all the support, honestly. And once a month, I mean, you'd have a chance to get something free, which is pretty awesome. Obviously, I pay for what's in the box, pay for the shipping to you if you're in the United States. So I think that could be really cool. Still kind of thinking about what could go in those boxes. I do have some pretty good ideas, but man, I want to tell you guys, but that would kind of defeat the purpose of a mystery box. But I think that would be really cool to do, to kind of give back to you guys, because I really do appreciate it. I appreciate all the views, all the comments, everyone who has subscribed to me. I mean, it really does. It means a lot, because years ago, I think I started the channel with my motorcycle. I had a 04 GSXR 600, and I was moto vlogging. And when I first started, I kind of started talking to a couple of the moto vloggers, which actually some of them have gotten really big. It's awesome. Congratulations, guys. You probably don't even watch my channel anymore, but congratulations on that. But when I started up, I mean, obviously, you know, start at 0. I kind of worked my way up to maybe like 10 subscribers, and then it just kind of stuck there. I mean, I might have gotten 1 subscriber a week or every 2 weeks or something like that. Apparently that just wasn't what I was good at. At that time I had my motorcycle, I had my Volkswagen CC, and I've met so many people with this Camaro. I mean, it is ridiculous. Half of the friends I have, I met because I had this car. It just kind of brings a special bond, you know, when you're out driving around and you meet some car guys, car girls, whatever. And I really do like that about this car. And granted, that's probably any car, but this, and I'm not saying the car is crazy fast, but this is probably the fastest car that I've ever owned, and I absolutely love it. I worked really hard for this car. I bought this car brand new in 2015, spent more than I should have. I owe more than I should. This car now is basically a part of me, and I love it, and I don't see it going anywhere for a very long time. Alright, so apart from all of that, which like I said, make sure to comment below if you guys think that's something we should do with the channel. I would absolutely love everybody's opinion. Moving forward, these are a few guys that I really enjoy watching on YouTube. They are Camaro guys, so obviously you got to keep it in the Camaro family. But there are a couple of Mustang guys I watch, and I might, you know, talk about them in another video. But right now I kind of want to stick to my Camaro guys, and they posted videos like this before. They shouted me out, a couple of them shouted me out. But you know, I just kind of wanted to recognize them because they are really good channels. They're also small channels. When I say small, I think, don't get me wrong guys, I mean about where I'm at, I'm going to say 600 subscribers to about 2,000, 2,500 subscribers, which is definitely a small channel. And these are not in any sort of order. I'm just kind of listing these guys off the top of my head. The first one I want to list, James, Online Car Show. I think I talked about this in one of my last videos, but he has got a really nice 1LE 6th Gen. Really nice, and man, I said I wasn't going to shout out any Mustang guys, but Bubba Blue, he has got an extremely nice, extremely nice Mustang. I can't remember what year it is. If you're watching, man, comment below. I want to say it's a 2012 or 2013. I can't remember. I don't exactly remember what he has. I think JBA long tubes, a cold air intake, and a tune. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then James has his basically all stock 6th Gen. It's got an exhaust on it. Some other modifications, but really hasn't done anything to the motor or tuning. I mean, he did a cold air intake exhaust, but no tuning yet. But the reason I brought up Bubba Blue into the equation is Bubba Blue called out Online Car Show, and they're kind of getting into it now. I know it's all in good fun, but normally when it's kind of a Camaro and a Mustang guy, not beefing, I guess, it's normally pretty funny. It always starts out innocent as a joke, and then things get pretty intense. But definitely looking forward to seeing that. I mean, those are quick cars, the Mustang, and they make really good power, even with small bolt-ons. I'm telling you, just the long tubes intake and a tune. I mean, that car's, I'm sure, pretty quick versus James and his 6th gen, which might have the advantage on weight, but I'm not going to go into too much of it. But definitely go check out both of their channels. Keep an eye out. I think they're going to be running soon. I'm not sure when. Hopefully soon. I want to see it. I've always been the one that kind of like, you know, stir the drama pot, so I kind of want to see them beef a little bit. I know that sounds bad, but I kind of want to see that. But anyways, definitely check out James at Online Car Show. Really nice Camaro. And while we're at it, Bubba Blue, check him out. We don't talk a whole lot, but I have watched a good amount of his videos, and he is a really good YouTuber. And I think he definitely deserves more credit than he's getting from the community. Really good channel, really cool guy from what I can tell. And same goes with James. Definitely underrated. Definitely go check them out, guys. Next one I want to do is Z Outlaw SS. This is my 5th gen brother, you guys. Z Outlaw, man, he shouted me out in one of his videos. I really do appreciate it, man. Really, really nice car. He's got some awesome content. I know he's using a GoPro. I don't know what other camera he's using. I do know he has a drone, and he gets some really, really good drone footage. And it's an overall nice car. Awesome channel. Definitely deserves more credit. Kind of like all these guys I'm going to mention in this video, but go check him out. Z Outlaw SS, and all these links are going to be in the description. So make your way over there. Definitely check him out. Tell him Nasty sent you. And you guys will probably be best friends. Really cool guy, easy to get along with. Alright guys, sorry I had to put the hood up, it's kind of cold. Mojave KY, really nice 6th gen, black, got some really cool accents on it. He's been subscribed to me for a while now, and the same here, I've been subscribed to him for a while. He's probably one of the first Camaro creators on YouTube that I came across. Absolutely loved his channel. I've shouted him out before, so you guys have probably seen his videos. But for all the new subscribers, definitely go check him out. Mojave KY, really cool guy. He's got a 6th gen. His son's got a Mustang. I'm just gonna put that in. That was a blooper, whatever. Oddly enough, his son has a Mustang. Really nice Mustang, actually. Really clean. I like it a lot. So be sure to check him out. Alright, next guy I'm going to mention, Camaro Time. How did I come across him? Camaro Time, he's a North Carolina local. He's not local to my area. I'm not going to say where he's from just in case he doesn't want to put that information out there. But he is definitely within about 4 hours from me. Really cool guy, awesome guy. You can obviously tell he really loves what he does on YouTube. You can tell it by the way he talks about it. By his content. Obviously he has a passion for cars, especially Camaros. I don't think I've told you before, man, and it's long overdue, but the content is awesome. Really good content. This guy is genuinely probably one of the nicest guys you'll ever meet. And he's got 2 Camaros, so I'm not going to spoil it, but go check out his channel, Camaro Time. Like I said, really cool guy, awesome content, and just an all-around genuine person. Alright guys, the last person I'm going to kind of recognize here, John Goodrow. Really cool guy. Like I said about all these guys, all these are really cool guys. He's got a 5th gen. Definitely be sure to check him out. He's a pretty funny guy. As you guys know, I have a pretty, well, I've got an odd sense of humor. I think he does too, so definitely enjoy watching his videos. He's a pretty small channel. He is slowly growing though, so be sure to check him out, guys. Just go out there and show him some love. Now I wish I could say more about him. I kind of just ran into his channel. I can't remember, maybe it was Camaro Time, shouted him out. But John, awesome videos, dude, and you've definitely got all the small YouTube channels out here supporting you, and that includes me. So hopefully this shout out kind of help you get up there, build your subscriber base, which I think you're already on the right road anyways, dude. Your content's good. It's just one of those things like, dude, it takes so long. And that goes for all of us. I'm still growing. Everyone I listed in here, we are all still growing. And it's really cool that we've got kind of like a little YouTube fam. I don't know why I'm doing that with my hands. I don't know what to do with my hands.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Be good just to hold them down by your side. Yeah, great.
But it is cool that we've got a little YouTube group, and we kind of talk about stuff and help each other out. And ultimately, to me, that's what it's all about on YouTube, in life, just everything. We're getting kind of deep here. But in life, just ultimately, to me, that is the meaning of life. Be good to others, help others out. So yeah, kind of off topic. Anyways, that is pretty much it, guys. Be on the lookout for a video next week. Like I said, drop some comments on what you guys think about the merchandise and the mystery box, all that good stuff. Like I said, nothing is set in stone yet, but I definitely do want to get out there and kind of spread the word on the channel. And like I said, this would help me out. This would help my channel out. I don't know if you guys like me enough to buy stuff from me, pretty much, or if you rock the apparel. But that is pretty much it, guys. So be on the lookout. New video coming up next Wednesday. As always, guys, like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. It was great seeing y'all, and we'll see you next time.